Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Snapchat. You can't share your snaps to story. To know how to fix or how to solve Snapchat, you can't share snaps to story. You should just go to settings. Here in this page, we click apps, default apps, app settings. When you find this list, you will enter to Snapchat and you will click. Here in this page of app info, you will go to click for stop and you will click OK, then you will enter to storage. Here in this page, you will click clear cache, and in the end, you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.